one thing I loved about Whitney is she would just take these risks with her voice. She would jump from really low notes to really high, powerful notes, or maybe go from very, very small volumes to very, very big. She did things that you were not expecting. And the choices of notes were, you just didn't think that she was going to do that. And that's what was so exciting about it. Her phrasing was often unexpected. And it was unexpected because if you were like me and you listened to her cassettes, yes, I said cassettes, then you knew her albums from front to back, both side A and side B. And so you knew what she's saying on the recording, and then you get to see her live and you're like, oh, she didn't do it the same way. You know, she never did things the same way. She had unexpected phrasing. She changed her rhythm.
You know now there's nothing you won't try. Gonna move a mountain like the sky. Make a wish come true. There is music in.
Also, she changed the words. She did ad-libs. So if you were expecting her to sing it like the album, in that case, you'd be disappointed. But most of us was really happy to see the magic that she created in a live performance. She also did these unexpected dynamic changes. She would go from singing in a lighter mix to a very, very strong mix.
You